The story so far. Grandma slaps Ishani and blames her for the breakup of Chirag and Disha's alliance. Harshad says that Chirag is a nice man and is perfect for Ishani. But Grandma and Falguni disgrace to this. Ranveer breaks down when he gets to know that Chirag has chosen Ishani. Harshad announces to the family that he has accepted Chirag and Ishani's alliance. The story continues.
Disha, I want to tell you that please don't feel bad. Chirag doesn't deserve you. He cannot keep anyone happy, forget about you. And since I'm your sister, so you are not my sister, Ishani. You are my stepsister. And neither will I forget that, nor will I let you forget it. Disha, just leave me alone, Ishani. Get out from here. I want to sleep.
He has came. He will not let me drink and will give me a lecture too. For whom is this other glass for? Is someone going to come?
This glass is for me.
For you? I thought you will stop me for drinking, but what is this?
You always say drinking occasionally is good for health.
Hey, are you alright? What are you doing?
I'll be fine now. Here, take your glass, please.
Hey, at least add some water. You're not habitual. You are doomed. I still remember it clearly. When I first time met your mother, I was out of breath.
I was breathless. Then I realized how unclean I was. And she was very tidy and neat. Just like a fairy.
She was always very tidy and neat. But what do you mean by when you saw her for the first time?
My life started at that moment. When I saw her for the first time.
Okay. I got it. You must have seen her the moment you were born, right? Hey Ranveer, do you know the best thing about her? I will tell you. Her smile. Whenever she smiles, I was like...
It spreads joy all around.
Yes. And when she gets angry...
She hits very hard.
And when she glances at you from afar, then...
I feel like going close to her.
Hey, no. I feel like getting her glasses. Her eyes have become weak. Now you see she's getting old.
Dad, what are you talking about?
I was...
Leave it, Dad. My heart is already broken and you're confusing me even more.
Hey, Ranveer, my son. Listen to me. Can I tell you a secret? Every person has to go through these 3 phases in his life.
I know. Childhood, adolescence and old age.
No.
Then what?
3 stages means Kishore, Rafi and Mukesh. Yes. When a person falls in love, he sings songs of Kishore. My heart sings constantly. Then he steps forward in love, and he sings the songs of Rafi. Come here, I am your love. But when his heart breaks, then it's time to listen to Mukesh.
This is also over.
This is also an empty now.
But my life is filled only with Mukesh's song. The Kishore and Rafi stages never came into my life. My love story started from the end of it. Am I really so drunk? She appeared directly in front of me. She is even calling me. That is good.
Ranveer, come soon.
आशिक को मिलती है गम की सौगातें, सबको ना मिलता ये खजाना। ओ, ओ, ओ,
What were you doing?
1 minute.
What? What nonsense are you talking? And are you drunk?
I was only keeping Dad company. Tell me, why are you here? What is the matter?
This is important. Come with me.
I won't go anywhere with you. Will you take me to your in-laws' home to do everything?
Stop talking nonsense, okay? If I ask you to come with me, you must come with me, understood? Besides, I am not married yet. So until I am here, it's your duty to do everything for me.
Okay, all right, fine. My working hours are over. I'm off duty now. Do you understand?
Why do you drink so much if you can't stand it? Come on, or I will sober you down in no time, okay?
Huh?
The car is outside, let's go.
Ma'am, driving under the influence of alcohol is a crime.
Just come with me.
Hey, you are taking me along as if it is a treasure hunt.
He can't reject me. I will reject him.
My babies. How will I survive without all of these? Do you remember, Ketan? We bought this one from Dubai. And this one? This one from South Africa.
Enough, Shweta, enough. This is no use being emotional. We have to sell all of this. We had one chance to improve our situation. Thanks to your son's foolishness, that is gone too. We sent him abroad to pursue a course in business management. He can't discriminate between real and fake. We wanted him to marry Disha. And who did he choose? He chose Ishani. Come in.
Sir, someone has come outside to meet you.
Who can it be so late at night?
Tell me, where are we going?
To meet Chirag.
To meet Chirag? Why?
I want to talk to him. Nobody else would have agreed to come with me. And I couldn't wait till morning tomorrow.
Perhaps it is the last time we'll be together. After this, you will leave me.
We have reached his house.
Listen,
What is the matter, Ranveer? Tell me.
no, nothing.
Why are you sitting here? Let's go.
No, I'm going to stay here. Go and talk to him.
Okay.
Ma'am, don't go in like this.
I don't care.
Ma'am, he is busy with his guests. Please, ma'am, please.
I said I want to meet Chirag and that is fine.
Ma'am,
You came to us with a proposal for your son's marriage, and that has convoluted all the bonds of our family. That's why we've come here to talk to you now. Now look, Chirag has messed up everything. He has pulled the classic look here but aim there move, hasn't he? So now he has to set it right. He has to say no to Ishani personally.
I agree with mother. I can't hurt Disha and get Ishani married to him. Ishani? What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that, Mom. What was the need to do all this? And to come here? Why are you requesting them? You could have told me. I won't marry him. He can't reject me. In fact, I will reject him. Mr. Chirag Mehta, what did you think? You will reject my sister and insult her, and I'll silently watch all that. You have insulted her, which means you have insulted me. And now you forget about getting married to me. Get it?
Well, she has done the job that your son should have done. So then, our work here is done. Let's go, Falguni.
Let's go, Ishani.
Mom, you carry on. I'll come with Ranveer.
Ishani, listen. I said no because...
Because you think you are the prince of some kingdom. But let me tell you, you came to our house. It is not a party where you come with one girl and leave with another. I said it before, I'll say it again today. More than your attitude, our self-respect matters. Instead of proposing to me, say sorry to Disha. Wait, there is no need for that either. If I'm not to have anything to do with you, your apology and your forfeit doesn't matter.
Grandma and Aunt Falguni? What are they doing here? Ishani, did you meet Chirag? Did you speak to him? I saw Grandma and Aunt Falguni here. Did they come to set the wedding date? And Ishani, you look angry. Is everything alright?
Everything is alright. I had to discuss something with Chirag, and I did it. Won't you ask what I discussed?
No, I don't want to know it.
But I have to say,